So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add circles to your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top and press on Shapes. Then go to the second row here to where there's obviously the circle right here. And if you want to make it larger or smaller, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the angle of it as well, making it more of an oval or whatever. You can also change the color, for instance. So if you wanted to change this to the color, orange, green, like a maroon color, whatever the case may be. Now, you can also go to the top here, press on Shapes, and you can also just scroll down to see if there's any other circles that may pique your interest or any other shapes that may pique your interest, for example. So you can go ahead and play around with that. But pretty much, it's super straightforward. That is how to add a circle to your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.